Well, the place is plastered and we've got the tiles ready to go. They're big tiles. These guys are out here cutting through the cement because we're putting on a front deck. So we've got it all plastered up, the cornicing is in. Now it's just a matter for the tiles to be laid and then the cabinetry can go in.
G'day, how's it going? I'm Mark from Self Sufficient Me, and I was going to leave this video until they got the cabinetry in. Remember the last video, the reno video I did? At the end I said my next update will be when the cabinetry goes in, but they're taking longer than expected. Of course they are. And I tell you what, we're getting worn out, but taking longer than expected. So I thought, well, bugger it, I'll just show you what we've got so far. And that is most of the walls done, as in plastered, most of the cornicing done, and we've got just about all of the tiling done for upstairs here that we needed to do. But we're still waiting on the cabinetry because there's been a delay. Like I said, of course there has been. We're just waiting on that, and hopefully in the next week or two we'll start seeing some cabinetry being done and our kitchen benches being put in. There's no lights in the pantry, so I can't really show you that, but essentially it's just an empty shell that's got tiles in it now. And I'll give you a shot from the reverse angle so you can see the front door. How'd you get over there so quick? And to the front door, we still have to do the rest of the tiles there. Well, not me, the tilers, and they're doing a fantastic job. We were worried about this type of tile. We thought it might be a bit too light and a bit too funky. When you're only looking at one tile and you can't see it down on a large floor or anything, it's hard to tell. You can have an idea and you can try to guess in your mind of what it's going to be like when it's fully laid out. But at the end of the day, there's a bit of guesswork in it. And so we're a little bit worried, but once we've started seeing it getting laid out, we really like it. It's not easy to see in this light. Our windows are all boarded up because, well, there's no windows. We're waiting for the windows to come, and the sliding doors and glass doors. So that's why it's so dark in here, and the lighting isn't finished yet either. But even in this light, we're really happy with the tiles. They're a big, large tile. They're not easy to lay. It's costing more to lay them because of the size. It's going to look nice with the benches that we're getting. Yeah, we're happy with the way it's all going at the moment. Happy as far as how everything is being built. Of course, we'd like it to be a bit faster. That'd be nice, but that's not the builder's fault. They're doing the best they can. We've got inclement weather.
Hey, I thought I'd butt into this video and just show you this. So much for eating and dining out of our shed. This rain is relentless. It's been ridiculous over this past 6 months, but you know, we're doing the renos and it's just side yourself at how terrible it is. But have a look at our shed. This is where we're eating out of. A few inches of water in here now. We keep stacking more things to try to get it out of the rain. I made this platform at the beginning. Luckily, I made this big platform. This was our old deck. I don't know if you've been following me for this long, but if you go way back, you'll know that I salvaged most of the decking material from our deck that was almost falling down, and we redone it. But I salvaged a lot of those boards and I kept them, and I'm glad I did because I ended up making this emergency platform I put together in half a day. And it's quite large, and it just raises it up about 6 inches or so off the ground, so that we can stack our furniture and that in there while our kitchen and dining room and that is getting redone. But I'll tell you what, it's hard yakka doing these renos, and this extra rain, it is incessant. I've never seen, in 16 years of living here, I have never seen it rain so much. The back of our veggie garden is ridiculously waterlogged all the way down to where our chickens are, and I think it's going to take 6 months of dry weather and sunshine to actually dry this place up, and no less. Any rain in between and it's just going to stay wet and sodden. Anyway, I thought you'd like that little quick update smashed into this video that I'm making on my second channel.
We've got supply problems, we've got a bit of bracket creep because we see things and we think, well, if we're going to do this, we might as well do that. And so, you know, trying to be restrained on our budget, of course, because this can get out of hand. But there are certain things that, you know, you might as well do while you've got the builders here. And so that adds a bit of extra time as well, and resources and sourcing things and working things out. For the most part, yeah, we're slowly getting there. Once the cabinetry goes in or starts to go in, I think that's when it'll really pick up. We'll all be able to see what it's going to look like as it comes together. The next video I'll make will be either as the cabinetry is getting put in, you know, like halfway there or quarter way there, or once the cabinetry has been done. Alright, this is my second channel, Self-Sufficient Me. Don't forget my website, selfsufficientme.com. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye for now.